Hi everyone, Amber here from So Majestic, and I am so excited to share with you today that I have received my Cotton Cuts box, and I'm so excited. If this does not look familiar to you, this is for their puzzle mystery quilt, their spring 2024 one. It's called Tree of Life, and I am so thankful to be an ambassador for them. I'm going to be sewing up a large moonlit, and so I have all the links in the description. I do have an affiliate link if you'd like to sign up and join in on the fun. There's still some beautiful colorways available, so I'm going to walk you through this box. Okay, so if you're not sure what a puzzle mystery quilt is basically like a block of the month, but it is a mystery. So you get what they call clues, which are your directions for the quilt blocks each month, and you put them together, and in month 10, you'll get the final clue that shows you how it comes together as a quilt. So Cotton Cuts offers where you can have it delivered monthly, or you can pay and have all your clues delivered up front. So if you do that, you'll receive a beautiful box like this, and let me show you what's inside. All right, so like I mentioned in the intro, I am sewing up Moonlit. So this is my colorway. I'm really excited because I normally choose bright colors. My carnival quilt is mostly yellows and teal. The village green was greens, blue, and white. So this is something so out of my comfort zone. And the other thing is I'm going to be sewing up a large where my last quilts have been a small. So every colorway you'll receive a booklet like this. And if you open it up, there's all sorts of tips and tricks, how you can contact Cotton Cuts in case you need any help or something is wrong, when all the clues will be shipped or emailed to you. So if you get the box all up front, your clues will be emailed each month. So this has already started. So our first clue is out, but you can still join. And like I said, the link is in my description. And then on the back, this is really important not to lose this because it has all your different fabrics. So the clues for the small are all the same regardless of your colorway, and your clues for the large are all the same. So it refers to it by fabric, and it's A, B, C, D, E, or F, and the binding. So you definitely don't want to lose this. And let me show you what else is in the box. You get a cute little sticker. This nice welcome. If you ordered extra borders or backing, they will be sent to you towards the end. So right here before the big reveal. So you can also order a few extra things, which I'll talk about. Cotton Cuts has also included a Flat Nancy. This is the second puzzle mystery quilt. So every month, once you're done with your clues, you can take a picture of your blocks with this Flat Nancy and use the hashtag and post it in the Cotton Cuts Facebook group, and you could win a prize. So the back of this shows you all the details to do that. And now you can see that all the clues are labeled for you. So this is our first one, and what's really awesome about Cotton Cuts is they always send you a little bonus gift, usually in the first month and the fifth. So here there is a patch. So you may have seen people putting together their clue one, and I will have a tutorial for that as well on my channel and on my different social medias. So you can see clue 2 goes all the way through, and they're all here. So that way you will have them for each month. And again, like I said, this is if you sign up to prepay for the whole thing. And so now on the bottom here, I'm just moving them out of the way because I want to talk about a couple extra things. I already mentioned the borders, so you can make your quilt bigger, and that will be shipped later. But you can also order separately an oops kit. So if you happen to make a mistake or something happens to one of your blocks, this oops kit gives you a little bit of extra material that you could recreate the block if needed. And then the other thing is you can buy a matching thread kit. So these are all Aurifil threads, and you can pick, they will match your quilt. So you can see that mine matches the colors in the quilt perfectly. So this is everything that comes in the blocks, and I really hope that you'll consider joining, or if you are already signed up, let me know what colorway that you chose. They're all beautiful. I don't think you could have went wrong. I think Tree of Life has had my favorite options so far. So I hope you enjoyed that little intro to the box. And if you are joining along, I hope you check out my month 1 tutorial. Thank you again to Cotton Cuts for allowing me to be an ambassador. I hope you enjoyed the little walkthrough of the box, and this is so cute. Caution, opening box may lead to spontaneous quilting. So let me know in the comments, and if you like this, please give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing to my channel. See you soon. Bye.